What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about a new concept of train to earn. If you've not heard about this before, get ready. If you are ready for this, please note the disclaimer before we jump into it. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Do it so we can hang out, hopefully make a little bit of money, but get things on your radar quicker than any other channel. Let's get straight in. So here we are, then it's blockfitness.io. Super excited for this. An overview of the website. We got the home, we got the membership, the roadmap, the team, and the white paper. Now, as we scroll down, obviously you can see this really ripped guy in the gym lifting it up with the Blockfit logo. What is train to earn? This is a new concept brought in. So Blockfit is a decentralized NFT cryptocurrency Metaverse platform looking to revolutionize the health and fitness sector. Our members will have exclusive access to courses suitable for training goals and earn tokens income while getting fit and healthy. You can see here the Blockfit instructors. Super cool. The Blockfit membership. We have the rookie NFT, we have the standard NFT, and we have the elite NFT. Now, what's the difference? So at the bottom level, the rookie, the most basic NFTs available and free to mint. These memberships have an introductory level access to get into the ecosystem. Now you move on to the standard pass and you're getting a varying ecosystem accessibility due to their tiered level up feature. Standard NFTs range from level 1 to 49, can be upgraded in the upgrade center. Additionally, standard NFTs can be leveled up to elite. Now, if you get straight in on an elite, it provides complete ecosystem access, allowing users to fully utilize the Blockfit. Elite NFTs will only be available for purchase in the first membership drop. So if you don't get in on that first one, you will not get an elite membership. Additional elite NFTs only being created through the standard NFT level process. That's the only other way to get it. Going through, we see the roadmap. We've got the Holtum, Zas, Apollina, and the Breebart. So the Holtum, initial NFT membership resale on OpenSea, the biggest of the NFT markets, Blockfit course release and funding of the treasury. Moving through to the Breebart, we've got the DAO stage 1, CEX listed membership rental, center release, membership minting center release, membership upgrade center release. And Zas, we've got the BFAT IDO, the BFAT stake and release of tier token, leaderboard release, DEX listings, official liquidity pool creation. Paulina, the DAO stage 2, community course NFT releases, community course marketplace. And the Valley at the end, the DAO stage 3, Blockfit Metaverse Center accessibility. Now talking about the staking, we've got the BFIT staking. The special features are multi-year staking, so users can lock their stake tokens for multiple years. Should a user do this, they will receive additional BitFit rewards. We've got the flexible staking. Users can stake and unstake their tokens at any time. This is providing a user has not selected multi-year staking. And we have the dual rewards. So users will earn both BFIT and TIR tokens for staking. Now they have a leaderboard where you can see on the different ones. So we've got the BFIT holders on target to hit 28. Keep on that leaderboard. Try and get on. If we get one of our members on, let us know in the comments. Scrolling down the website, you've got a little video that you can watch with an intro to it. Now meeting the team, we've got Daniel Frost, who's the founder, Michael Newman, the founder, and Matt Wilkins. Now please research these people. They've got their faces, so they're not hiding. Do your own research and read about them. We've got David Evans and Lewis Cowrie, the marketing and community managers, and the trainers themselves, Jay Banting, Kelly Day, Robin Hughes, Christina Sikorskeja, Abby Jane Benjamins, and at the bottom they got the FAQs. So what I want to just quickly talk about is if you go all the way back to the home, I want to just let you know what you get with this. So what you're going to get along with this is holders are going to be able to redeem a hardware heart monitor. So you're going to get that if you hold one of the NFTs, which is super cool. People pay a lot of money for them and they do really help out your fitness. If you look into the research of them, they are working wonders for people. You will get access to a mobile application. Okay, with this, it's going to be accessible by mobile, which is super cool. And personal trainers, which I've showed you, are actually in the Discord. So once you join the Discord, all the links will be down below. Please remember, you will actually get a chance to speak to the personal trainers and they will help you out. Now, a quick look at the membership rental, so you can have a look. The membership rental service allows for users to rent other users' members' NFT and vice versa. So users have the opportunity to earn crypto rewards on their NFT. So you can actually earn a passive income by renting someone's old NFT membership. And you can also rent yours out. Super cool. All right, read this in the white paper, the membership rental center, and find out how you can make an actual passive income from this while also trying to make your life better getting fit. Quick look at their Twitter, guys. It's at Blockfit NFT. They've got 6,093 followers. Give them a follow. Click that button. You can see they've got engagement and little previews of exactly how these NFT memberships are going to be used. We've got the personal trainer showing you what can happen here and how much you can earn. Okay, they've got really cool images coming through. Look at this one. It's like an infrared. They've got really cool stuff going on. So please give them a follow. Let them know you're from this channel. Big us up in that Twitter. Guys, I absolutely love this. I hope you did too. Now, a couple of things before we finish. There are actually having a Project 30 lifestyle challenge right now. 30 days to change your lifestyle around. Get involved in that. It's gonna be epic. Please get in all the social medias and get in the Discord and the Twitters as well. I hope you give them a follow. Let them know you're from this channel. Also, if you love this, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit that bell if you want to be notified. Let us know in the comments if you love this. Only use the trusted links down below, and I'll see you on the next video.